Totes Tech. Web3 made easy every day. Learn, explore the simple way.
You're watching Totes Tech. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for the latest in Web3, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Leave a comment to join the conversation, and be sure to share this video to spread the future of tech. I almost missed the Blockspace at Permissionless 2025, thinking it'd be just another crypto side event. Instead, it pulsed with vibrant energy, blending gaming tournaments, DAO brainstorming sessions, and casual conversations about blockchain technology trends. The Polkadot ecosystem leaned into Web3 gaming as a bridge, making blockchain approachable for everyone, naturally fostering mainstream adoption slowly, creating an exciting environment. At Permissionless IFE's Blockspace, gaming wasn't just a side attraction, it was the heartbeat of the event. The live Counter-Strike demo with Heroic was unmistakable, drawing gamers, NFT enthusiasts, and first-timers together in an electrifying atmosphere filled with tension. This wasn't just about watching professionals play, it was about deeply experiencing Web3 gaming and its underlying blockchain infrastructure innovations together. The Pudgy Penguins party blurred the lines between crypto veterans and newcomers, feeling intensely chill and completely intentional, with an undeniable aura. Panels with Mythical Games, Magenta Labs, and Pop.Play Play showcased live, working models of player-owned economies. Attendees saw how in-game assets could be owned, traded, and monetized, making Web3 gaming feel immediate and highly interactive with real-world value. Gaming events in 2025 redefined networking, with business cards exchanged hastily between match respawns, creating unexpected professional connections and new partnerships. The Blockspace wasn't just another crypto side event, it was a living, breathing example of DAO-funded creativity flourishing through innovative blockchain solutions daily. The Polkadot DAO community powered and governed the event brilliantly, bringing a fresh, highly participatory energy throughout the entire process successfully together. Activities and themes emerged organically, with attendees becoming co-creators, not passive spectators, naturally transforming events into immersive experiences. The DAO's funding structure encouraged risk-taking and creativity, allowing for surprising activations through innovative approaches and experimental methodologies. DAO tools let creatives propose, fund, and launch innovative ideas without waiting for traditional permission, fostering autonomy and freedom. At the Blockspace, the usual main event buzz was replaced by opportunities to linger, get hands-on, and experience something new with immersive sensory details. Attendees found themselves immersed in hands-on blockchain activities, from live demos to comprehensive workshops, exploring various applications thoroughly together. The slower, more grounded approach was intentional, making complex themes accessible to all audiences through subtle narrative techniques and careful pacing, creating a richer experience. Consumer Day brought together executives from global brands, focusing on real-world blockchain tech. The panels explored practical strategies for loyalty programs, creator monetization opportunities, and tokenized commerce implementations carefully. Polkadot's infrastructure is powering new applications, from loyalty programs to tokenized tickets, creating immersive experiences through sensory enhancements and emotional depth. The event highlighted the significant gap between Web3 aspirations and what major brands are genuinely ready to ship today, revealing crucial industry insights. Hey everyone, thanks for watching Totes Tech. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next in Web3, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who loves innovation. Industry leaders debated the future of decentralized applications, seeking simplicity and enhanced security measures thoroughly. The Blockspace transformed 4 days into a vibrant, living showcase of Polkadot's robust infrastructure and thriving community, featuring immersive experiences. Random brunches and late-night idea swaps broke down barriers, making Polkadot approachable through vibrant discussions and collaborative creativity, fostering a sense of community. Hands-on activities, from gaming to asset hub walkthroughs, made the technical feel tangible. The DAO-powered creativity highlighted how community-led governance drives innovation through collaborative problem-solving and collective intelligence platforms, fostering growth. Many left with newfound confidence to join DAO communities or build innovative projects on the versatile Polkadot SDK, expanding their blockchain capabilities. The Blockspace proved that decentralized apps aren't just for developers, they're for everyone, transforming interactions through immersive experiences. Join the Polkadot DAO now and help shape the future of open, on-chain collaboration, driving innovation forward together seamlessly. The content provided on Totes Tech is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. All investments involve risk, and you are solely responsible for your own choices.
Stay with Polkadot, the future's bright. Chains connected day and night. Innovation takes its flight. Web3 powered. Shining light.